Let's make ice cream in a toy ball.
A pint of cream, half a cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Now mix.
This side of the ball opens up, and that's where our mixture goes. The other side, and fill it up with ice and salt. Now that that's full of ice, we're gonna use rock salt or ice cream salt, which I found out in Dixie. It looks like that. Now it's time to play.
The ball was actually really heavy, kind of like a medicine ball, so it was hard to kick back and forth. So we ended up tossing it around and then throwing it for like 20 minutes. And it got pretty dirty, so I rinsed the ball off before opening it.
You guys ready?
Whoa.
I was super skeptical about whether the consistency would be solid enough, and it actually came out perfect.
It tastes good.
I definitely recommend this as a gift idea, and I'll share the exact one we got in the description. We hope you'll hit that like button and subscribe so you can discover more fun ideas.